Over the last few years, YouTube has paid out tens of billions of dollars to creators, and a surprising amount of that money is going to channels where no one ever shows their face. Most of these channels upload once or twice a week, reuse the same formats, don't even record their own footage, and yet they're quietly earning more than most traditional jobs just by creating content that fits what YouTube actually rewards. That's not hype, it's how YouTube works. And this shift is not accidental. YouTube has quietly changed what it rewards. It no longer favors creators who work the hardest. It favors content that fits into repeatable, high retention systems. That is why faceless channels are winning. They're not limited by energy, by mood, or by burnout. They don't disappear when the creator takes a break. They don't depend on charisma. They are built like machines. This is why you are seeing channels quietly earning more than most people working full time. Not because they're lucky, but because they picked the right niche. In this video, I'm breaking down 8 faceless YouTube niches that are actively replacing jobs heading into 2026. We will start with the ones that are easiest to enter with almost no experience, and we will end with the niches where advertisers pay the most and where a single channel can realistically outperform a salary. By the end, you won't just know what niches work, you will understand why YouTube keeps pushing them and how to actually get started today. Starting off with niche number 8, YouTube drama and internet commentary. Let's start with the niche that grows fast but usually pays the least. This is the what happened with side of YouTube. Creator scandals, platform chaos, internet mysteries, breakdowns of viral moments. Channels like Internet Anarchist prove the model works without showing your face. Because in this niche, the story is the product. The RPM here is usually lower than most niches, often around $4 to $8, but the upside is speed. If you catch a topic at the right time, you can rack up views fast. The downside, it can be stressful to keep up, and if you take breaks, the niche moves on without you. So I'd call this medium in effort, low in cost, and medium in earning potential. Now we move on to a niche that is almost the opposite: relaxing science, space, and sleep learning channel. These videos are not competing for attention. They are competing for watch time. Slow narration, minimal visuals, sometimes one looping background for an hour, and that sounds boring until you look at what YouTube rewards: time spent watching. Channels like Sleepy Science Channel are the perfect proof of this. It started about 5 months ago and already has 188,000 subscribers. It racks up millions of views in a month, and the style is intentionally simple because the goal is not excitement, it is comfort. RPM is usually around $3 to $7, so it's not the highest paying niche, but the watch time can be insane. In other words, you may earn less per 1,000 views, but you can generate a ridiculous amount of total watch time and therefore views per video, which means more revenue. This is one of the easiest starter niches because you do not need flashy edits. You need consistency and a repeatable format. I'd give this low in effort, low in cost, and medium in earning potential. Now we get into the evergreen content, the kind that does not die after a week. Faceless history documentaries. Wars, empires, timelines, political collapses, how it really happened stories. Channels like the Entire History documentaries show you don't need hundreds of uploads. You need well-structured storytelling and topics that people already want. History tends to sit around the $5 to $10 RPM depending on the audience and how you package the content. And what makes history powerful is that it's bingeable. People do not watch just one history video. They watch one, then click another, then another. That binge behavior is basically YouTube's favorite signal. This niche does not always spike overnight, but it builds momentum like a snowball. I'd give this a medium in effort, low in cost, and medium in earning potential. Now we step into one of the most addictive niches on YouTube because it's personal, and that is psychology and human behavior. Not textbook psychology, but the kind that makes people say, wait, that's literally me. Channels like Pursuit of Wonder have built entire audiences around ideas, voiceover, and storytelling. And newer channels like No Sense show that you can grow fast with the right packaging. The channel started uploading 2 months ago and already has 79,000 subscribers with just 42 videos. This niche often earns around $6 to $12 in RPM, sometimes higher, because the audience tends to be older, more intentional, and more engaged. And psychology has a retention cheat code. It naturally creates curiosity loops. Why do I procrastinate? Why do people self-sabotage? Why do we chase validation? People do not just click for entertainment, they click because they want to understand themselves better. And when viewers feel like a video is about them, they watch for longer. Now, I would give this a medium in effort, a low in cost and a high in earning potential. Now we are entering a niche where advertisers start paying more consistently and the audience gets more valuable. I'm talking about faceless economic documentaries. Now, this isn't boring textbook economics. This is story-driven explanations of how money, markets, and power actually move. Why countries collapse, why inflation hits some people harder than others, why housing is broken, why student debt still exists, why certain economies explode while others stagnate. Channels like Economics Explained are the clearest proof of this model. They break down global markets, policy, and finance into videos that anybody can understand. And the results speak for themselves. Millions of views every month with ad revenue ranging from $7,000 to over $22,000 entirely faceless. What's even more interesting are newer formats like 20-Minute University. A single long-form economic-style lecture pulled 1.4 million views and 74,000 subscribers on a brand new channel. This proves you do not need volume if your packaging and your storytelling are strong. This niche typically lands $7 to $12 in RPM, sometimes higher depending on geography and topic. And advertisers love it for one reason. The audience is educated, curious, and thinking about money. Economics content also ages incredibly well. A video explaining a financial crisis, a market trend, or a policy decision can pull views for years, especially when similar events resurface. It's faceless, it's evergreen, and built perfectly for long-form watch time. I would give this medium to high in effort, low in cost, and very, very high in earning potential. Now moving on to niche number 3, luxury and wealth. This niche prints money for a very simple reason. The audience has spending intent. Luxury and wealth channels cover celebrity net worth, expensive lifestyles, mansions, cars, watches, private jets. The how rich are they really? Channels like Life, Wealth and More are a perfect example of this. They are pulling millions of views and strong ad revenue. Now this niche often sits around $8 to $15 in RPM and it scales because the structure repeats forever. Who they are, how they got rich, what they own, how they spend, what it says about their lifestyle. It's a loop. It also doesn't require complex production. The power is in packaging and pacing. Now, I would give this low to medium in effort, low in cost, and very high in earning potential. Moving on to our final 2 niches on the list. Niche number 2 is AI and automation. We are in one of the most aggressively monetized categories on the platform right now. Tools, workflows, how to do this faster, what's new, what's coming. Even a channel with modest views can earn very well here because advertisers are bidding hard. Software companies, SaaS products, AI tools, this niche can hit $10 to $20+ in RPM depending on the audience and the topic. And the demand is not slowing down because every business and every creator is trying to figure out the same thing. How do I do more with less time? That is literally what this niche sells. I would give it a medium in effort, a low in cost, and a very high in earning potential. And finally, the niche that sits at the top of the food chain when it comes to money on YouTube, personal finance. This is where YouTube stops being a side hustle and starts looking like a real replacement for a job. We are talking about content around investing, credit cards, debt, saving money, building passive income. Channels like Nick Invests prove how powerful this is. The channel is only a few months old, completely faceless, and already pulling in millions of views a month, translating to somewhere between $10,000 to $30,000 in ad revenue with just simple animated explanations that make money topics easy to understand. And here is why this niche pays so well. The audience watching these videos isn't just curious, they are actively trying to do something with their money. That's gold for advertisers, banks, brokerages, credit card companies, investing apps. They all want these viewers, and they're willing to pay a lot to reach them. That is why personal finance videos can hit $15 to $30 RPMs, sometimes even higher, meaning a video with a few 100,000 views can earn more than a million view video in most other niches. Another reason that this niche works so well is because the content doesn't expire. Videos like why most people stay broke, or how credit cards actually work, or beginner investing mistakes, these do not stop being relevant. They keep getting watched month after month, year after year, and when you combine high ad rates, constant demand, evergreen topics, and simple production, you get one of the strongest setups on YouTube right now. That is why personal finance is not just profitable, it is one of the few niches that can realistically replace a full-time job if you do it right. I would give this medium in effort, low in cost, and extremely high in earning potential. Now, at this point, you might be thinking, all of these niches work, but only if you actually know how to make the videos. And that is where most people get stuck. Not because they picked the wrong niche, but because they don't have a repeatable way to turn ideas into actual uploads. That is why the tool you use matters more than the niche itself. You do not need to be an editor, you do not need to learn Premiere Pro or After Effects, and you definitely don't need 10 different AI subscriptions. What matters is having one place where you can go from idea to a finished video without friction. That's exactly where InVideo comes in. Inside InVideo, you get access to the best models available right now, like Google's VEO 3.1, Kling, Sora, and Nano Banana Pro, all in one workspace. You can start however you want, generate images first, then turn them into video, pick from ready-made templates under trends, or if you're a complete beginner, just type a prompt and let it generate a full video for you. Here are some videos generated using InVideo.
Mr. Beast is now involved in another controversy.
Once upon a time, there was a woman who used to live in a small home.
Marcus Aurelius, the philosopher emperor.
Have you wondered what's the purpose of all this?
Why do some economies explode so rapidly while others stay stagnant?
You know when you see some people and wonder, how are they so rich?
AI is changing the world faster than ever.
Some people made millions and even billions of dollars in their first generation. Well, it's not just luck, but also how they manage their money.
Now, once you understand how to make videos, these niches stop feeling intimidating and they start feeling obvious. And to wrap this up, if you made it this far, comment which niche you are going to try first, or if you are already trying one. I read the comments and it helps me decide what to break down next. And if you want the full step-by-step system from setting up a channel to publishing your first video, watch this video on screen next. That is where I walk you through the entire process from zero. I'm gonna see you there. Bye-bye.